two, one. Let's start.
Hey guys, welcome to Poop Talk, an all poop podcast where we dive into all things poop. Wait, should we dive into poop? Probably not, but let's do it anyway. This week's episode is all about the brown we so frequently flush down. The big question, why is poop brown? Today, we'll discuss the surprisingly sexy science of the stuff you flush. Everybody poops, but nobody asks why. Let's be honest, poop gets a bad rap. We pretend it doesn't exist, light candles to cover it up, and act like it's not the one thing literally everybody has in common. But today, we're breaking the taboo because we've got one burning question. Okay, hopefully not burning, but the question is, why is poop brown? Grab your curiosity and maybe some bathroom spray because we're diving deep into the chocolatey mysteries of human biology. Your poop has blood in it. Romantic, right? Aww. Here's the first twist. Did you know that lovely brown shade is basically a love letter from your blood to your butt? Aww. Every blood cell only lives about 120 days. When they retire, your body recycles them because humans are sustainable like that. The leftover pigment, called bilirubin, is kind of like the sepia filter of biology. The liver mixes it into bile, stores it in your gallbladder, and sends it downstream whenever you eat. So before your lunch even becomes lunch leftovers, it's already tinted with the ghosts of red blood cells past. Yummy. Bacteria, the artist behind the brown. Once bile hits your gut, your resident bacteria clock in for the night shift. They grab that bilirubin and remix it like it's a DJ at an intestinal rave, transforming it into stercobilin, the pigment responsible for that iconic brown color. Without this microscopic poop squad, you'll be dropping ghostly gray dukes instead of that sweet earthly mocha. These tiny chemists are working overtime to make your daily deposit look consistent, which, in the case of poop, is the highest form of compliment. 50 Shades of Brown. Now, not all browns are created equal. Depending on what you eat and how long things hang out in your intestines, your poop shade can shift from a very light brown to a deep, dark espresso. High-fiber meals speed things up and they lighten the tone. Fatty, slow-moving meals can darken it. Hydration is also a player. The more water your body reuses, the darker the artwork. Basically, your colon is an artist, your diet is the paint, and the canvas is the porcelain toilet. The poop rainbow and what it means. Sometimes your poop decides to cosplay in other colors, but don't panic. Most of the time, it's just diet drama. Is your poop green? Maybe you went a little too hard on the kale, or things sped through before bile finished its makeover. Is your poop black as night? Well, that could be iron pills, licorice, or internal bleeding. In which case, less jokes, more doctor, okay? Are you seeing red? Beets or hot sauce might be the culprit, but again, blood means business, so pay attention there. Or are they pale or clay-colored stools? That's a sign bile couldn't join the party, and your liver might be RSVPing, hey, a little help, buddy. Your toilet bowl is basically a built-in lab report. You just have to be brave enough to look. Shape matters. While you're down there checking everything out, shapes count too. The Bristol stool chart ranks poop types from type 1, aka rabbit pellets, to type 7, aka instant regret. The goal is somewhere in the middle. Smooth, soft, sausage-shaped perfection. Well, actually, intestine-shaped perfection, to be specific. Dry little rocky turds means you need more fiber or water. Runny, soupy type texture? That means things are moving faster than they should be. So yes, even in poop, moderation is key. Type 3 or 4 on the Bristol chart? That's the chef's kiss. Mwah! The brown truth. So, there you have it. Poop is brown because your body is a high-efficiency, blood-recycling, bacteria-powered ecosystem. Every flush is a little victory lap for your internal chemistry set. Next time you do the deed, take a split second of appreciation before the flush, because each shade of brown is your body's way of saying, "Dear diary, here's what's going on today." Well, that sums it up for this time. This has been another immersive episode of Poop Talk. Stay regular, stay hydrated, and remember, behind every great person is an even greater pile of science. If you've enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.